Stop cooling, shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that little bell button so you get notified every time we post a new
daily vlog.
Okay guys, so today we have a special video. We are actually going to be trying the buzzing snacks. I'm going to be leaving their information down on the description box so you guys can check them out. We actually ordered 2 of their mystery boxes. We don't what we have in these boxes, so
they're from like everywhere in the world.
Yeah,
from the world.
So we're gonna be trying like weird snacks that we've never
tried or had here, obviously.
Yeah,
it's like from a different place.
And their shipping was really fast too. We literally ordered this last week, right?
Yeah, last week.
Yeah.
We ordered it on a Friday and today's Tuesday.
Yeah, so go order your buzzing snacks, guys.
It comes with a little card basically saying this is buzzing snacks, enjoy your snacks. It says bringing you exotic snacks and drinks from around the world to your doorstep. Their Instagram would be linked in the description, and so is their TikTok. So
go check them out, guys. We've seen this video, a lot of YouTubers do this, so we kind of wanted to try. And
yeah, we got the idea from a YouTuber. I forgot what the YouTuber was called.
From Cassie and Mila.
Oh, I don't know who that is. Yeah.
You probably watched others, but I watched them. We're gonna place all the items right here, so we'll be right back. We already have all the snacks placed on the table. They look pretty interesting. So
they're Britain gummies, and yeah, we'll try their wild berry. Top 10 allergen-free. Yeah, wild berries.
So let's ready to try the soda, guys.
Let's try it.
I'm gonna try blue.
Oh wow. Pretty good.
Really? Pretty chewy. What would you rate this? What would you rate it?
I would rate it a 10 basically. I'll probably eat it, yeah, like a snack.
I'll rate it an 8.
An 8?
They're too hard. They're really hard for me. Lavelle handed us this one, so let's try that one.
This one? So this is...
It's pork, right?
What is it?
Finger licking.
Oh yeah. Finger licking braised pork flavor. This is, I think, from China or something. What the?
What?
It comes with a tray inside.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Look at that.
Oh, I don't know about these guys. I don't really like pork like that. They smell good. They smell. Are they spicy?
Oh hell no.
Are they spicy?
No.
Give one to the mom. I'm scared.
But I rated a 1 out of 10.
I'm scared. Yeah, I don't like it. Ugh. You don't like it? How do you like anything, right? Okay.
They kind of reminded me of the little jelly beans that you do. Like those little like
the ones that taste like vomit and barf.
Yeah. It tasted like dead fish or something like that.
No.
Right? It tasted like dead fish to me. But it's finger licking braised pork flavor. That's what it is. Anyways.
I feel like it's for people. Well, I'll rate it a 2. I don't know.
I rated it a 1 out of 10. But alright, what do you want to do now? You want to do a drink or you want to do chips? Or you want to do another gummy?
Yeah, let's do a drink because I kind of like have that aftertaste.
Yeah, I think this is...
It's como mandarina.
Oh, it's not merinda. Merinda?
Merinda, huh?
But it's from like Russia.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Oh, he's Russian, guys.
Let's try it. It's orange flavor. So let's see. Honestly, it just tastes like a Fanta.
I think that's... Yeah, tastes like an orange Fanta to me.
And this time, yeah, it tasted like an orange Fanta, but with less gas.
Mm-hmm. It's flat.
Yeah.
Lavelle said, okay, choose the other one.
So we already tried all this stuff. We haven't tried these. Awkward, I missed. We can try these. These are weird. It's Kit Kat. It's Kit Kat, but it's melon. So weird.
Melon flavor. Girl.
Here's one for you. Well, we can try one.
Yeah, so we don't have to open it. It comes in a small little packet like this.
Me dio calofrío.
Escalofrío.
Escalofrío.
Look at Lola.
I'm gonna try.
Oh, so cute. It says Kika.
They all say that. Yeah, they all say Kit Kat.
It tastes like gum.
Mm-hmm.
They have like that gummy flavor.
Makes me want to chew. Like gum.
They're good. I'll rate it an 8.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, an 8. What is it?
I think I rated it like a 7. I'll eat these, but not like a everyday time thing.
Yeah.
Cause then I feel like I'll just get tired of them.
No, I don't know. Aftertaste is kind of weird. Okay, go.
Alright, your turn, cause I already chose the Kit Kat.
You can try these hot Cheetos.
Hot Cheetos. I think they just get taste the same like as a regular hot Cheetos.
Yeah, these are from Canada, guys. Oh. Do it taste like normal hot Cheetos?
Yeah, just less powdery.
I love hot Cheetos.
10 out of 10.
How is it? That's spicy.
Why is it spicy?
What is that?
Oh, it's burger-shaped chocolatey filled cookies. They're cookies.
What?
You see?
Oh.
Oh, they're tiny ones. One burger for you.
A Krabby Patty for you, my friend.
Oh my god, it has like little crumbs on top. It has like the little sesame bread.
Oh, yeah.
They good?
Guys, our camera died, so we have to record on the phone again. So we're back to the phone.
But anyway,
I don't know about them. They have like a weird taste.
I think they're pretty cool. It's like a hamburger type thing. But it's,
It's
like
like a cookie.
It's a cookie, but it's like the shape of a hamburger. And the chocolate is the meat of the burger.
What is that, a Pepsi?
Pepsi with pineapple. I think it's like pineapple and peach. It's made in Ukraine also.
Mom,
Yeah,
open it.
it's a Pepsi. Kind of weird how their bottles are tall.
Do you want orange?
I think it's peach. Tastes pretty good.
No. I think I like this one better. It's just with them freaking too. I give that like a, I don't know, it has a weird, it tastes like diet.
True.
It tastes like diet
Maybe you can say
Coke or
that.
something. We can try the Oreos.
Oreos? So these are Oreos and the strawberry cream. Strawberry cream. It's tasty.
We don't have those here, huh?
I remember some strawberry cream, yeah.
They're good. But I'll give them a 10.
This is a Kit Kat. It's a huge Kit Kat.
She's like,
For the Kit Kat. Whoa.
Steak? Or what is that? Ribs?
No, it looks like ribs. It is cookie dough. It's a cookie dough Kit Kat.
Kit Kat?
Mm-hmm. Didn't turn out to like it.
It's good. I'll give it an 8.
Yeah, I'll probably give it a 7. No, we can't get that. Dang, Lavelle's trying all of them with us too. I would try these.
What are those?
I think they're ribs. Made in Ukraine.
We're trying all these guys because we're planning on moving to London.
What? They smell like the wieners, but smell the bag.
Oh yeah, this smells like shisha.
Yeah.
This spicy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, they're really spicy. Gonna throw up. Guys, I'm sorry. Okay guys, so we're trying the Jolly Ranchers. Misfits. Those little fishes, mermaids.
Yeah, they're fish with bears. Merbears.
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 Merbears. I'm gonna brush your teeth after this, guys. Don't think I'm a bad mother.
I would rate those 10 out of 10. They're good.
Yeah, I'm pretty good. They're soft.
Alright, so we're gonna try some Dorito barbecue chips. I think we have these here, but these are from Canada.
They're barbecue?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try a little piece. Really good, be honest.
Yeah. They honestly taste like the sweet one. Like the sweet barbecue.
Are they spicy?
Mm-hmm.
I'll give it an 8. Oh, an 8. Out of 10.
I'll do a 10 out of 10.
Alrighty guys, so that's everything for this video. Honestly, I recommend Buzzing Snacks. I really recommend you guys to go to their website and check everything out. They have literally a lot of yummy snacks that we also didn't get on this mysterious box, but we recommend you guys to go check them out and purchase your order. And if you do, guys, tag us or comment down below what you got in your mystery box.
I feel like honestly we could have gotten more better stuff than what we got.
Yeah. Well, then that would be everything for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you guys' support. We did gain one more follower to our YouTube channel. So thank you to that one follower that made us to 104 subscribers. It really does mean a lot to us. We've said this in so many videos.
Thanks for watching.
See
Bye.
you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Stay tuned for next video, guys. It's gonna be a good video, I promise. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Was that the video, baby?
Bye.